All right, fellas, I'm out here in the garage. Well, I'll tell you what, I think the weather's going in reverse. It's been in the upper 20s and low 30s in the mornings and freezing weather. So, man, I don't know what's going on here. I'd like to get my grass cut tomorrow. All right, this is probably going to be the last update on this 37 Ford monster truck. I got the body wet sanded and polished out this morning, and boy, I tell you what, I think that sucker come out pretty good. I like it. And you know, I painted the other monster truck. I built that same color. I think it came out better this time than it did then. No, that's that '66 Chevy body on that monster truck. That's the old Hot Wheels monster truck chassis and everything. That's a tube frame. To where this one here is the old school style leaf spring. But old school for old school. All right, I got I was thinking about doing the chrome, you know, the grill and the headlight bezels to go on the buckets there. I was thinking about doing that in matte black, and I thought, you know what? I think I want the door handles and all the handles and everything chrome, so I'm going to leave that chrome the way it is. Of course, I'll put some black wash in there, but there's the master cylinder. That's the master cylinder out of the AMT Silverado monster truck, and I went ahead and plumbed it, letting that set up and dry, and I got the lines pretty long, so when I already got the hole drilled there, so when I put it in there, I can glue that in place and then cut it to length from the bottom and bend it in place, because one's going to go forward, one will go to the rear. There's the interior tub. I've got the door handles and the window crank and everything sitting up drying right now. Just did that about 10 minutes ago, so that's all drying. Man, there's that windshield. You guys know what a pain it is to put those rear view mirrors in there. I hope that thing holds in place. I still got to paint the trim around that, but man, I hate doing those. Here's the winch. This is what I decided to do. I may paint the sides of these different color or something yet. I'm not sure, but that's the winch that's going to go on the front, and that's the hook out of the AMT 1934 pickup. I stole that out of there, and I got this. That chain is courtesy of good old Hobby Lobby. Went over, that's a necklace. So I think that's going to go on the front there. I think that's going to turn out pretty good. I'm just going to let that chain and that hook hang down. Fuel cell is looking pretty cool. I think I have decided the original fuel neck right here, the fill neck, I'm going to leave that as is, and it's going to connect it to this fuel line right there that's going to allow you to fill that fuel cell up that way. I think that looks pretty cool. But it gives a little something on the side there. A little, I may paint that neck chrome, put a black cap on it, I guess. I'm not sure yet. But I think she's looking pretty good. Boy, that tub, boy, that's a lot of work that went into that tub to get that to fit up in there. Because y'all know, I put a different firewall. I had to cut, well, not cut out, but I found this piece in my parts box. I don't know what that came off of. I was thinking that was a tunnel cover or something for some pickup, but I cut it up. I kind of looked at like the looks of that ribbed firewall and flat in the middle there, smooth. So I think it turned out pretty good. But when I did that, that changed everything for that interior tub. Man, I had a chore trying to get that to fit up in there, but I think I got it, and I think it's going to work out all right. Well, fellas, I think that's about all I got. Just want to jump on here and give a quick update on this 37 Ford monster truck. I think I'm getting pretty close on it. We're getting ready to do a family vacation here, so I may be off the grid for about a week. But when I get back, I'm definitely going to finish this sucker up. I just dig that color, how it turned out. Just fantastic looking. All right, guys, I'm done.